Alright, so in this video we are gonna create the navigation component. We're not gonna make it responsive because that's gonna be a bit longer, so we're gonna wait for that to another video. So what we want to do first is we want to create a component called navigation. So let's start out by just putting it in here, and then let's go in here and create the components here. So we want to have navigation. Then now what you can do here is we can go inside navigation, create a file called navigation.vue, and then we can go in up here in the top, say import, then we can say navigation from navigation and call this navigation. What we can do now is we can go in and say template here, and here we can then say script name navigation, and then we can go in and copy and paste this here. So we could obviously just write all of this ourselves, but you know, that's, after my opinion at least, waste of time, because this is something that's available for free online. Is something that's very easy to get, and most developers would usually just copy and paste this and then work from it from there. So what we can do now is you can use npm1 watch and then php artisan serve. So this is just very simple, npm1 watch here and then php artisan serve, like this. That will then allow you to have the navigation bar up here, and you can then go in and decide to change names of the menus here. So what we want to do now is we can go up and call this the title. This is the logo. You can call this is just called social network, and then actually gonna have this one called social network, sorry, and then the other ones are basically just the names of the menus. So we're gonna have home, actually wait, we're gonna remove the submenu here, and then we're gonna just call this social network. We're gonna have home, login, then we want to have a sign in. Sorry. And then in another video we're gonna focus on the layout of this navigation bar. And obviously we also want to remove the disabled here and change this to the key 5. So you can see now you can click here and it will work perfectly fine. So in the next video we are going to focus on how to create this responsive and how to make this work properly and have a little bit more of style and layout to this navigation bar. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm really sorry for being away for so long. There's been some personal issues, but now you will get the first video out from me in a week. I know that's usually not what I would do, but I will do my best to keep posted. And I also just want to point out that I do have a life to live, and sometimes there is things might come in the way that will keep me back from posting. But even when I have tough situations or something like that, I'm still able to do my best, and in this scenario this was what I could do. So I'm really sorry about that, but please hit the like button and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.